Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 10th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing DCB Bank. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So DCB Bank, this is weekly chart, and we see that currently bullish horsehair pattern is in formation, and a breakout above this level and especially above this trend line which is in blue color. Once a breakout happens above this line, then we will see good levels to come in DCB Bank. A target of around, so this is 178. Let's say this is 180. No, so this is 175 and this is 212, so around 35 points. So from this level, once it crosses, let's say 216, then we will see a run up of around 30 more points that we will see in DCB Bank. Now we see that RSI is showing that the momentum is on. Let's go to the daily chart. Now on daily chart we see that this is the trend line at which it has currently given a closure above that. Basically, yeah. Now if I draw another trend line, and let's say so possibly from now we will see that it will again go in a bit oscillatory way, and possibly it will with the support of this trend line it might go up, down, come back, and then do like this, and then possibly it will give a breakout. So once it gives a breakout, then we can take very safely long positions, or whenever it comes down do a consolidation, then we can take our long positions, because this is what is happening. Once it is going up, then it consolidates a bit, and then after consolidation for a few days it again starts to move up. So again see that there was a very good movement here, but then after that there were around 2 weeks of consolidation. In fact, more than 2 weeks it has consolidated at the same level. So that is something that we can see here also. But a breakout above this level, that is around 216, should give us a very good chance for us to entry, and again then we can catch a lot of good moves of around 30 points. But then it has again to go lot more than 30 points. I am talking about immediate target which would be catching 30 points, especially for the trading purpose. Now for portfolio, definitely much higher levels are there that we can see. So this is about DCB Bank. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.